Alright. So this is today's project. We're going to do the countertop. I have removed this side cooking table. And then I'm going to prep. This is all glue from when we masked it from painting. This is a cover for the sink. I got to buy another one for this side of the sink. But this is getting removed. I'm going to upgrade the faucet. That's outdated. So I kind of want one that goes higher and then more round. Probably won't be chrome either, so we'll see. It has to match, so probably gonna be black. And then we're gonna do the table. But I'm bring the table to my house to do the table. I'm gonna bring that cooking table right there to my house to end up doing it. And then I think that's it for now. So I'm gonna stop prepping so we can start doing the countertop. Alright, so I got the countertop all prepped, sink all cleaned. So I noticed while I was doing this, all inside the sink right there is basically the chrome is basically starting to, bubble. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint it because I'm pretty sure the faucet is gonna be black. I want a black, the one that goes higher, and then I'm gonna paint that black to match as well. So that's what's gonna happen, but I'm probably have to do that in springtime. And then for now, I use the chemical to get all the glue off from the tape or whatever from masking. And then I'm now going to use this Wyman cooktop daily cleaner. Removes grease and oily residue, and that chemical was oily. So, all right, so I'm gonna finish prepping, and then and there's also a cover that goes on the stove, just like how the sink was. So I'm gonna, after this is done, this project is done, I gotta order a sink cover, and an oven cover. All right, when I finish doing what I gotta do. All right. Okay, so this is the material I've been saying that I'm gonna order, and I'm gonna use. It's the honeycomb vinyl wrap that I used on my G35. So basically, I made sure I ordered enough. Nobody really has honeycomb vinyl wrap around here. I haven't seen any. I'm probably one of the first ones probably around that has the honeycomb vinyl wrap. So I'm gonna have the table honeycomb, the countertop honeycomb, and basically that's what I decided to do. Alright, thanks. Okay, so halfway done. Accomplished going around the stove. There's gonna be an epoxy that goes over it. See how it has that shine? I wanted to, to protect it or whatever with some sort of epoxy. I had to go to Home Depot and ask them what can I use to protect it. When you put hot pots and pans, cold stuff and stuff. As we go, we'll figure it out. But for now, that's what it's supposed to look like after. But I like it, and it's dark in here too because the tarp's on it. So it's starting to look good. I like it. Makes sense when you go camping or vacations. It's a honeycomb, the bees, so it kind of makes sense. Alright, so it's finally done. This is what my new countertop looks like. Go from this angle. Now I'm gonna bring the table home. Don't mind the mess on the floor. Every time I come in, I make a mess, then I gotta clean, make a mess, can't clean. But making progress, so yeah. So definitely like how everything's coming out. I like the honeycomb. Definitely like the honeycomb. Alright, that over there's a sticker that's supposed to go over there. I reglue it back. But yeah, looking good.